Hi, welcome. I'm Ben from Ben's BBQ and today I've caught a 3 pounds chicken. But the advance is, these are chicken halves, so you don't have to cut off the backbone. So let's open the package. First we'll make them dry with some kitchen paper. And as you can see, we have 2 perfect chicken halves. We'll season them. And you can use some chicken seasoning or, yeah, like I do, your own favorite rub. Sprinkle it well. And of course both sides. And when we have seasoned these beautiful, perfect chicken halves, we will smoke them outside on the grill. But you also can cook this beautiful chicken in your grill or oven or in a pan with some butter. We fire up our grill to 140 Celsius, let's say 285 Fahrenheit, and for the smoky flavor we use a chunk of cherry wood. And when our smoke is rolling, the chicken halves goes on the grill. Pick them up. There it goes. Then we close the lid. We are now 30 minutes later. Yeah, I know, I don't know what, but it doesn't matter. And I will show you how it's going with our chicken halves. Yeah, it's gonna be good. So I'll come back in another 30 minutes and then we'll give it a glaze. So the glaze, what I'm using is some barbecue sauce and some melted butter. Now we have to wait another 15 or 20 minutes. The sugars in the barbecue sauce will caramelize our chicken halves. Yeah, gives a great color, gives a great taste. So yeah, let's wait. Our chicken halves has reached a core temperature of 74 degrees Celsius. So let's have a look at it. These look great. You pick it up. Yeah. What a beautiful color. Now we let it rest under a layer of tin foil for I think so 10-15 minutes and then we will taste. No, you have your own chicken parts. So it smells great. You will taste. The chicken fillets. The chicken fillet is moist. Of course then. And the flavor. But let's try the drumstick. These chicken halves, it tastes marvelous. It's tender, it's moist, it's lean. Smoke on the chicken, what can I say more? So that's it for today, followers. If you enjoyed the video, give a big thumbs up. If you want to know where you can buy these beautiful half chickens, click on show more. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There you can find more recipes for chicken, pork and beef. I'll see you next time. Until Ben's BQ.